This is the easiest drone to fly in the world, maybe. This is the DJI Avata 2. It comes with the goggles, it comes with the motion controller, and I've never flown an FPV drone before. I'll show you guys exactly how to fly this and what it's like. This cost me around $1,500 for the bundle. I'm hoping I don't wreck it because it is my first time flying and it's freezing out here. We're in Ohio, so where we're at, there's a little bit of obstacles. I'm hoping I don't wreck it though, because this was $1,500. It's my first time flying ever. It's a little windy out here. We're gonna get right into it. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it now. Okay, so it comes in a nice little carrying case right here. We got the drone itself, got the goggles, some batteries, and of course the motion controller. Okay, I'm so excited to fly this. I'm gonna show you guys all the steps, and make sure you guys subscribe, because in the next couple of videos I'm gonna be figuring out how I can make some money with this thing, get my money back, because it was expensive and I don't feel like it's worth it yet. Might change my mind, but stay around for that. So we got the drone here. We also got the goggles, we got the battery pack and the chargers, and finally we have the motion control remote, which is one of the coolest things about this. You basically can just turn your hand and fly with this thing. I also ordered the controller so you can go faster and do more maneuvers. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys everything you need to know to set this drone up, and then we're gonna go right into the test flight. See what it's like to fly one of these drones. Oh, this thing looks sick. I really like the design on this. It looks amazing. I'm absolutely freezing right now. It's a new day. It's tomorrow, because yesterday I didn't realize there's some additional steps. I'll show you guys all the steps at the end of the video. We're gonna jump into our first flight now. I'm super excited. I got my guy with me here. This is Craig. He's a real nerd, so which is good, because he's never flown a drone, and this is right up his alley. Are you excited?
No, I'm nervous, bro. I've never flown a drone before.
Yeah, you can't crash my shit, bro.
Oh.
It's all right, Craig. I'm a nerd too. It's day 3, and yesterday it was too windy. Today is still windy, but we're gonna fly this thing no matter what, even if I crash it. Okay, first time using it. Oh, this is crazy, bro. So how do I... Okay, this is accelerate. All right. Okay, this is all right. It's kind of easy to use. I'm trying to think, how do I go up? Okay. I'm gonna come back by us. Imagine I just smacked myself. Oh snap, bro. This is crazy, bro. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm doing bad stuff. Wow, bro. I feel like I'm flying. This is crazy. I'm flying over the trees. All right, guys, hopefully I don't crash it. We're getting awfully close. Oh, this is amazing. I wonder how far it can fly. All right, we're gonna go. Oh, almost crashed. But the good thing about this is if you stop using the control, it just stops wherever it's at. So I need a, okay. All right, I'm figuring it out with this remote control. Oh, okay. I definitely got to get a little bit better. Oh, snap. All right, here we go. Going for a flight. Almost hit a tree. Bro, I'm definitely gonna crash this thing. Oh, bro, this is sick.
How are you feeling right now?
It's crazy, bro. It's just, you can turn so fast. I'm over the football stadium right now. Oh, it goes pretty far. Warning in aircraft in warning zone. Fly with caution. I'm not sure exactly what that means. But bro, this thing is so sick. All right, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna fly it around, look at some more buildings. Oh, this is awesome. I'm going up higher. I'm gonna go ahead and fly around this building, this big tall building now. Go up a little bit higher. Try to get a full sweep of this thing. All right, it is pretty easy to fly for the first time. Never flying FPV drone. I'm definitely gonna get better, so make sure you guys stay tuned. See how the skill progresses. We're gonna have to go to a different spot after this. Dude, oh my gosh, this is crazy. So go up over this building. Let's see how fast I can get it coming down here and not crash. All right, this isn't even sport mode. I'm gonna try sport mode real quick.
No way.
All right, it's in sport mode. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay, that's crazy. All right, we're gonna fly it back by in sport mode real quick. Let's do a quick turn here. Oh my gosh. All right, sport mode. We're getting crazy with it. We might just crash it. Okay, go up, go up. Hopefully I don't hit us. Oh, okay. We're gonna have to get a little bit better at that. I think we let Craig try now. That's crazy. Turn it back to normal mode. You scared? If you crash it, it's 1,500. You'll get the hang of it. It's the world's easiest drone to fly.
It's the what?
It's the world's easiest drone to
A
fly.
little bit more energy. That's the what?
It's the world's easiest drone to fly. That's how you do it. It was sick. I felt like I was in a battlefield.
Why not like just like
Here's the controller, bro. Reach out in front of you. And then to look down at the remote, it's this button here.
this button right here?
That you press it once.
That looks like the big red button. You know what I'm talking about? Like the big red button. Don't press that button.
Yeah.
It's like,
Bro, if you crash it, bro, do you got 1,500?
I really don't, but I could probably work for it. Collateral, something. I won't crash it, okay? I'm not gonna crash. I might crash.
Okay.
I might crash.
All right, we're gonna walk him through. He's literally never flown this.
I've never flown a drone, period.
Okay, so this is the actual test. Is it the world's easiest drone to fly? I don't know. Craig, he is a nerd, so
Is this the world's easiest drone to fly? I don't know. Let's find out.
let's try to get the turn down first. You gotta press the gas just a little bit. So press the gas. You'll see. Okay, yeah. And
There.
okay, yeah. So now you're getting the turn down. Just go real slow around here, and then go up a little bit with the joystick. Go up, and then go down. All right, how's it feeling? Smooth.
Like you got a little reticle in here, and you can like see the sensitivity.
Yeah, hopefully they'll be able to see that.
Are you able to change the sensitivity if you wanted to?
I'm not sure. We'll have to try. Okay, so you're getting the turn down now. Press the gas a little bit. Careful, don't go towards the ground. You're gonna go a little bit higher up, and then fly towards us because there is trees around here. He's doing it. This might just be the world's easiest drone to fly.
Wait, I don't have to fly straight. But
Straight is the gas. So just hit the gas. Look.
I'll fly right into the pad. I'm feeling a little nervous, bro. I don't want to crash it, to be honest. Never flown a drone before. nor an FPV drone. Let's try not to crash this thing. We're in a pretty good sized field. This thing, is it in sports mode, bro? Because this thing's actually flying. But I want to go up more, like in the air more. Honestly, like first impressions, bro, you see one thing, but you hear another thing. So like the relativity of the sound versus like what you actually see, it like definitely like brain screws you.
I told you he was a nerd. All right, come this way.
Okay.
Fly past us or just fly around here. All right, he's getting the hang of it.
Yeah. It's actually not too bad, bro.
All right, what are you seeing now?
So like right now, right now we're over at campus. I legit see the whole campus. Can you see the drone from here?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can legit see half the city. I'm soaking in the view right now, bro. Like the sun's out, it's popping. I can low-key see like the horizon. Like the colors in the air is actually beautiful in this thing. Like the sky looks actually amazing.
All right, fly it, fly it.
Bro, the football field from here is actually insane. Actually, okay, I'm about to fly. And we're touring the campus right now, actually. This is pretty sweet. Okay, that's cool, bro. It actually marks the H for home, so like you know where to go if you actually get lost. Like I'm legit flying right now.
All right, it was a pretty smooth flight for the first time. I'm gonna go ahead and go fly at another location, show you guys some more spots. I also have this controller here, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fly it today because the batteries are running out. But stay tuned, subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming. I'm gonna fly this thing in a lot more places. We're gonna figure out how to make money with it. Final thoughts. I haven't flown very many drones before, but to be honest, for my first time, it was pretty easy. Okay, we're at one more spot right here. We're gonna make this a quick flight because I don't know if I can fly right here. I would say this drone is definitely worth the money. I'm having so much fun with it, and I'm excited to see what more we can do with it. There's a couple steps I had to do before I flew the drone. That was, one, I had to activate the drone, plug it into the phone, download firmware. I'm gonna show you guys, or I'll add a link in the description of a video I watched to do that. I also had to register this drone. It was only $5, and then you have to put the number on the side of it. Also, if you wanna fly this to make any type of money commercially, you have to get your drone license pilot. You can fly it recreational for free, but make sure you guys subscribe because I'm gonna be taking the drone pilot test soon. So make sure you guys tune in for that. I wanted to show you guys a couple cool features. This thing can do a drift and it can do a flip. So I'm gonna do the drift first. It's pretty easy to do this. You just press a button on the joystick. They made it super simple. It's called acrobat mode. The same goes for the flip. You just press up to do a front flip or back to do a back flip. It also does this big power dive. This thing is so much fun, and I really started to get better and faster with it just after a couple flights. I'm definitely gonna have to do the controller soon because it's harder to turn with this thing. It's not hard to turn, but I can't like get like the shot I want.